Welcome to Smartfm Makassar 101.1 FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Well, good evening for smart listeners.
Good evening.
And of course, as every Tuesday at 7 p.m., we have a special program with English program, of course, Smart Up Your Life with BPEC, the one and only. Give it a plus plus. Yeah, tonight I'm not alone, of course. I invite my friends from BPEC. Who are they? I think for listeners curious. Okay, but let's discuss together. Okay, hi.
Halo
Hello.
Kak.
How are you?
Pretty good.
Wow, amazing. I'm very excited because we have a fresh one here. You, but later. Okay, before we talking about our discussion about our topic tonight, I want to invite smart listeners at home to join with us, share everything about our topic tonight via WhatsApp in 0811461011 or 0811461011. And also we can watching us in YouTube channel, Smart FM YouTube channel. So stay tuned until the end. Until the end program, I mean. Okay, hi.
Hello, Kak.
Halo Kak.
Hello. Okay, maybe because our topic tonight is very special. This is relate with about nature, and our country is a very rich and blessing for God. But anyway, when before we starting about our topic tonight, let's introduce yourself, guys, one by one. Maybe from you.
Okay, hello smart listener. Let me introduce myself. My name is Faur Laksan Saputra, but you can call me Acang. Thank you.
Hi, Achang.
Halo Kak.
Okay, move to you.
And I'm Husna Amira, and you can call me Husna.
Hi, Husna. How are you?
Good as
Good.
usual.
Okay. Wow, we have a newcomer here. But anyway, okay. Okay, can you introduce yourself, please?
Um, well, smart listener, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Nahwi. You may call me Nahwi.
Hi, Navi.
Hello, Kak.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, of course.
How are
me
you?
too. Not so bad.
Oh, okay, good. This is it, the one and only. Yeah. Fresh one, newcomer. This is first time we meet each other, right? In this room, right? You always come, and me always come, but we never meet each other. Okay. Please introduce yourself to smart listeners.
Okay, smart listeners wherever you are. Maybe now some of you are on the road listening to the radio of your cars, of your vehicles. So
Okay.
I hope you guys are stay healthy and stay safe. So my name is Oya. Yeah, you may call me Oya.
Hi, Oya.
Yeah.
Long time no
Oya.
see.
I really miss smart listeners actually.
Yeah,
Especially
that's why you.
Tuesday night.
Okay, this is why you are here.
That's why I invest my time tonight
Yeah.
only to talk about our topic today because
Oh.
this is such a really special topic to talk about with
Uh-huh.
you guys. So
Thank you.
I just can't wait.
Okay, thank you. And me also. My name is Radias Dizahril. You can call me Radias as a host, guest host from BPEC, of course. Um. Okay, let's talk about our topic tonight. Our topic tonight is natural environment. Yeah, as we know that in Indonesia is the strategic country. Our country is has blessing to God for God. I mean, we are rich country. We have everything, include nature. So our topic tonight is natural environment. But before I ask you guys, I wanna read the definition about natural environment according to Google's. Natural environment means all living and non-living things occurring naturally, meaning not because of humans. The universe is natural, but often the term natural environment only means nature on Earth. And two aspects are usually include ecological units, which are natural system without much human interference. Yeah, something like that. Hi, coming. No problem, no problem. We have someone new. Okay, have a seat, please. Can you introduce, please, yourself to smart listeners because we are start now. Okay, please.
Okay, good evening,
Hi.
smart listener. I'm Rifki. I'm sorry I'm late.
Okay, maybe Rifki can explain what is BPEC, please.
BPEC, this is the all one English community in Makassar.
Mm-hmm.
Specific in social education.
Okay.
That's all.
Yeah. What benefit we can get when we join
Okay.
BPEC?
For get benefit, the first is you can improve yourself.
Okay.
You communicate with someone,
You
with
can
each
see the
other.
smart listener.
Hi.
And okay, continue. Please.
And you can try yourself to make you confidence.
Okay. So, of course, absolutely. When we join, we'll join to BPEC is free of charge, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, our topic tonight. Okay, once again, I mentioned natural environment. So for the smart listener at home, you can join with us by share or ask question via WhatsApp 0811461011. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I want to start from Miss. Oh yeah. What do you think about our topic tonight? Consists of two words: natural environment.
Wow, it's really interesting to talk about actually because you mentioned before that
Okay.
especially our country,
Mhm.
which is have many natural, how to say, many natural resource.
Okay.
We are really rich of it, and it is actually number one pointless or number one how to say number one power in our country. So I hope during this topic we could talk about how to maintain our natural, especially around us. And this is actually like a happening topic during this pandemic. As you know, guys, that some of how to say auntie out there, like in we usually call it ibu-ibu,
Okay.
now start
Okay.
to buy many plants, right? Yeah, it is actually, I think this is such a like evolutionary things that we do during this pandemic
Okay.
that has good impact to our natural resource, which is we start to plant some trees, flowers. Yeah, it can give us many benefits, especially to
Okay.
reproduce oxygens around us.
Okay.
Yeah, I think I really interested to talk
Okay,
about our
good
topic
points. But
tonight.
anyway, I want to ask you, where are you from?
I'm from Makassar City.
Okay, I will
Kota
ask you
Makassar.
about
Okay.
your origin
Ah.
for the next segment. Okay, what about you, Mr. Nahwi? How do you think about our topic tonight? Naturally, environment, and bahasa when we translate to Indonesia. I mean bahasa lingkungan alam.
Well, actually, as usual, this is like one of interesting topic to discuss,
Mm-hmm.
and then this is talking about natural environment, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, in my perspective, this is this topic can increase, it can enhance our
Okay.
insight,
Okay.
and also not only that, as our previous speaker has mentioned before,
Okay.
it can increase our awareness, especially on our natural environment. So I hope that by discussing about natural environment, it can increase our awareness on environment itself. I think that's all.
I like your point of your word awareness.
Yeah, awareness, of course.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from one of Regency City, namely Goa.
Okay, gua.
Yeah. In the middle,
I will
right?
ask you about it.
Okay.
Next. Okay, what about you, Miss Husna?
Ya kak, talk about natural environment.
Yeah.
This is a very interesting topic for me because you know, in my opinion, everyone really love if we talk about a natural environment, and then especially if you really like travel, right?
Especially for the location is
Yeah.
Instagrammable.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, and
Yeah.
then you know right now because pandemic still exists, and then
Okay.
I start how to say kuliah,
Okay.
and then
Study.
if I have several assignment until a lot of assignment, of course I have to visit a natural environment in our country.
Go to refreshing.
Yeah.
Okay, your point. Go to refreshing.
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Fikri? Rifki.
Rifki.
Oh my god. I cannot differentiate Fikri and Rifki.
Okay. So
Okay.
tonight
Rifki.
we talk about natural environment.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're talking around what before I answer.
We talk
Yeah, okay.
about when we translate to Indonesia, lingkungan alam. So this scope is very
that is a big,
very large.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
the big topic.
Yeah.
When this include everything what you do in every day.
But that's why this is a flexible, and we have a many how to say many things to talking about it.
So I get a point. So
Okay.
for me, this is from industry. I get the some point for international industry in
Okay.
car and motorsport that is using like motor district. That
Okay.
will be good from the iris in world.
So you wanna say coming? So you wanna say that your point is talk about natural environment. It means that relate with efficiency to use facility like motor,
Yes.
electric, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
And I got from Indonesian is from Alfamart and
Mhm.
Indomaret. That is
Selamat datang. Yeah.
that is not use about plastic
Plastic bag.
but now it will be get charged if you wanna plastic bag.
Okay, this is a very interesting because each people bring or talking and only little similar because you know our scope, our topic is very large. So you say about our efficiency to use a facility special for motor electricity, plastic bag, and you talking about refreshing because that is nature. You say awareness, and you say I forget. Sorry.
I say about lifestyle.
Okay, let's okay, anyway, hi, newcomer. Good evening, how are you?
Hi, good evening. I'm good. What
Huh?
about you?
Excellent. Why you came late? Okay,
Because
forget
I
it.
was teaching.
Okay, can you introduce yourself to our smart listeners?
Okay, so my name
The
is
camera? Yeah.
My name is Mala Hayati, and everybody calls me Mala.
Hi, Mala.
Hi.
Okay, because our topic tonight is natural environment. So when we translate to bahasa, lingkungan alam consists of two words. How do you think about this topic tonight?
I think it's a super nice topic to talk about. Thank you. Because it means that we will talk about our daily life. Because we utilize the natural itself
Yeah.
for universe.
Yeah.
And as a teacher, of course,
And you
because
text
I always use paper.
because this topic you text me by private, right? but thank you for coming, right?
Yep.
Okay. Nice. I'm confused. Okay, 5. Maybe come to okay, back to because because you are from Makassar, but I don't know where are you from in Makassar. Maybe in the capital city, or maybe Takala or Goa, or I don't know. Do you have like something like local wisdom how to keep um, in our environment from like damage, and how to anticipate like damage, yeah, something like that, local wisdom. Do you have something like that?
Okay, because I'm originally from the capital city,
Oh.
so basically all of those wisdom, or even local wisdom that you mentioned before, it is comes from some, how to say, policy, or policy from the government and so on. There are many programs, as I know, but I don't know about this period. But maybe during latest period, we called it Lisa. We called it something like that. Whenever you see like garbage everywhere, you must. It is actually things to remind us to always keep our environment to keep healthy, because we live capital city. It is actually an industrial
I agree.
region, so it is gonna be so hard to keep it, because
Yeah.
there are so many mobility around our city. It can causes many things. It can causes dirty road, because because many societies round and round every day, walk around the road. And I think, in my point of view, I no longer need any kind of it, because I myself really one with nature right now. I now trust the nature. I now believe the nature. They are also alive, so we need to keep them, so they will not angry to us. They will not harm us as well, so we must not harm them as well. We must start from the little thing, like keeping our environment cleaner, and so on. I think
so. This is a bigger than local wisdom, right? Because this is a universal self-awareness, how the peoples, how individual to build their self-awareness to keep clean, right?
It is actually always back to ourselves again, talking about the nature.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, next speaker.
Who's gonna be the next speaker?
You. Okay, do you have based on your origin, I mean maybe your village, where you come from, do you have a local wisdom how to keep the environment?
How to keep environment?
Yeah, based on your origin, I mean local wisdom, kearifan lokal.
Based on my region.
Yeah. You are from Sinjai Barat or Tompok Bulu, or
I have lots of village.
yeah.
But I was born in Makassar, and I alive since 33 years later. Years ago, I mean, 33, and how to keep by my own way. It was last year. Before Corona come, I always clean the drain. The drain in front of my my house, and also not the drain, but when the how to say grass cutter, pemotong rumput, tukang potong rumput datang, I clean up, and no one wants to help me, but I think it doesn't matter. That's it.
So you are not identical with a local wisdom, but your value is universal, right? Universal. I mean, for all of peoples can apply that your expression, that your explanation about how to keep the environment, right?
Yeah, it's one of to keep.
Is it?
Because
it's so hard to find somebody like me. No, I'm kidding. I mean,
Okay.
it's so hard.
Okay.
Only one or two
Okay.
people. can do like that.
I think it's clear. Okay, move to Mr. Nahwi. For example, I give you how to insight. For
Yes.
example, our local wisdom. Maybe we can find in Kajang. In Kajang, we cannot how to say tebang. Suddenly, I'm not can
Cannot cut
translate.
the
Yeah,
tree.
we cannot. Because in Kajang have how to say in English tanah adat, right?
Mm.
So absolutely there. The land of Kajang is a very how to say safe from illegal logging
Yeah.
and everything about it. So that's why we call that like local wisdom, and also like in like dataran tinggi Malino, Bawah Karai,
Oh.
many people come to there to climbing, but they need to follow the rules.
Mm.
Cannot do cutting trees and something like that. But what about you? Do you have a local wisdom maybe in your village, your area, how to keep the natural environment?
Well, talking about the local wisdom that you have mentioned before, I
Mhm.
think it is incredibly important to discuss because
Mhm.
without local wisdom,
Mhm.
we cannot keep our natural environment.
Mhm.
I myself, especially in my regency, Goa,
Mhm. Mhm.
there are several local wisdom that we have. For
Okay.
example, we should keep the natural environment clean. I mean, not specifically towards
Mhm.
natural environment.
Mhm.
It starts from little things
Mhm.
such as keep our home clean
Mhm.
and etc. Because I have heard some things.
Mhm.
I don't know, it comes from my mother, my parents.
Okay.
They said that if the environment around us is not clean,
Mhm.
it can bring negative effects. I
Okay.
don't know, maybe such it can bring some disease
Okay.
and etc. So yeah, that's how we
It sounds like
keep our
sorry, you
environment.
say it sounds like sound the sheep, but not.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Navi. What
Yeah.
about you, Mrs. Nah? Do you get the point, right?
Sorry.
Do you get the point, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
but the wisdom. This
please.
is my first time hear this word.
Okay, come on.
Do I have local wisdom in my
Uh-huh.
region?
Uh,
Actually, I think there is no local wisdom because
are you sure?
yeah, because it just come from our awareness each
Okay,
other.
okay.
Yeah, because in my village, it just there is a lot of how to say sawa. Yes.
Rice field.
Rice field.
Uh-huh.
So we don't we cannot like take your rubbish here, and then I think just there is a policy from
Okay.
government.
So this is a logic and
Yeah.
only makes sense
Yeah,
how to
yeah.
keep, right? Even though there is no special or specific local wisdom, everything can be, right? Okay.
Yeah, I think
I get
this
the
is it.
point. What about you? Because you are from, I know you are from Java, right?
Yes.
Do you have a special local wisdom in your origin, in your
Local
yeah,
isn't about natural or
like in Keraton?
yeah, in Keraton. You know what? The old people this is using plant from the apa sih dari tanah in English the land
The soil.
soil yeah
yeah, soil.
and use spoon with from tree
Okay.
and that's remember from natural from Java. This is for original, and if you don't have that, you can use your hand.
Ah, So you always emphasize or stressing about efficiency.
Yes,
Right?
efficiency from your body
Okay.
on what in your middle
Mm-hmm.
can will be used if you
Mm-hmm.
smart,
Okay.
like smart listener.
Yeah. So because this is a very interesting minute by minute. So okay. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, because we have now we have a the maybe this is the third or the fourth, I don't know, I forget. I have a special question for you all guys. I know we. Okay. My question is okay, I want to start from Rifki.
What the question?
Okay. Talking about natural. This is about
Yes.
nature. So, what kind of nature you like, and maybe you have a plan to go there, and why? What kind of nature? Maybe you have a mountain or a forest or snow or a
Okay.
rice field or whatever.
I think I think every years I will celebrate New Year
Mm-hmm.
in the beach.
Pardon?
In the beach.
Beach.
Yeah.
Oh, what? Do you have a special beach, like maybe Pink Beach?
No, that is Bara Beach in
Oh, Bara
Bulukumba.
Beach.
That is
Oh,
one of
Bulukumba.
the beautiful
Why?
beach
Why you want to
in
go there?
Sulsel.
Why you want to go there?
I don't know, because if you get some smell of the sea,
Mm-hmm.
you'll be is really relaxed, and
Mm-hmm.
you not you not hear about some sound in the city,
You like ocean than mountain?
ocean in
Uh,
mountain,
No, no,
like
no. You like ocean than mountain?
yes, because I love sun.
Ah,
My life
so
is sun.
so when you there, you feel relaxed, and I mean like it, very very enjoy.
Yes, like European people.
Do you have a special beach, which is you want to go there, except Bara Beach?
That is Sandrana Beach in
Where is it?
Yogyakarta.
Ah, Jogja.
That's just small beach, but it's really private. If you go there, not someone.
Very expensive.
No, you just pay up for parking your motorcycle only 5,000, and you get the
Okay.
relaxed time
Uh-huh.
and the private beach for you,
Okay.
because that is the hidden wonderful of Indonesia.
Always food. Beach lover. Okay, what about you, Miss Husna?
Yeah.
What kind of nature do you like? Do you have special nature? I mean, you have planned to go there, and why?
Actually, I really love a beach also,
Mm-hmm.
but I also love a mountain.
Ah, mountains.
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because I don't know. First time I visit, how to say, mendaki,
Climb.
climb
Mm-hmm.
climb mountain, and then we are getting tired. But
Mm-hmm.
if you how to say, sampai di puncak,
Arrive.
arrive,
Mm-hmm.
you will be feeling. I can't explain, but if you
So when you went to English camp
mm,
in Malino, you're very excited and enjoying
yeah,
it.
but it's not same.
It's not same.
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
because if we are doing English camp, it just from, how to say, di bawah. Yeah, it's not same.
You
Yeah.
cannot go walk around
Yeah.
like yesterday.
Mm.
But maybe you have a special, I mean, place that you want to visit. What is
Uh,
it
If
and
we
why?
talk about nature,
Mm-hmm.
and then I really want to climb other mountain actually.
Ah, mountains like Semeru, Kerinci,
Yeah, if I can.
Agung, Gunung Agung. Oh my
Mm.
God, you are very
But
how to say Wonder Woman.
but if I see
Uh-huh.
my condition right now it's impossible.
Mm-hmm,
Yeah,
mm-hmm.
maybe just from corona, and then I don't have a
Don't judge by the
friends.
cover. Feminine but strong.
I think just mountain.
Oh, mountain,
Mm.
fresh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you? Maybe you like jurang, lembah, a forest.
Okay, so because I myself cannot swim, so
Oh.
I prefer
Oh.
mountain.
Thank you for
to
honest.
swim to ocean because I cannot swim. And,
1,000 people outside hear you. You
I don't
cannot
care.
swim. Okay.
but I'll try my best to
You
having
like-
trained about swimming.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, the reason why I really like the mountain itself.
Mountains
yeah,
also.
because first is about the scenery,
Mhm.
because the scenery is really relaxing, and
Mhm.
also it can relax your mind,
Feel
it can
fresh.
it
Uh-huh.
can entertain yourself,
uh-huh.
and etc. Besides mountain, actually I really love the scenery in countryside, because I have village
Mhm.
in Benteng.
Mhm.
The main reason why I really like countryside is
Mhm.
because not only the scenery that is really beautiful,
Okay.
but also about the people. The people is really nice.
Mhm.
Yeah, and also the situation is really different
Mhm.
compared to the city. So
Okay.
yeah, maybe that's it.
What about desert?
Dessert.
Yeah, desert.
If I have a chance to go
Uh-huh,
there,
uh-huh, uh-huh.
I really love it
Okay.
actually.
Gunung Bromo.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What
but-
about you, Miss Mela? What kind of nature do you like? Maybe you like nature. I mean, a mangrove. Sorry, mangrove, rice field, or oasis, savanna, or what? What kind of nature do you like? Savannah, padang rumput.
Like in Balochi
Okay.
or Padang Indah.
Which one do you like? What kind of nature do you like? Jurang, lembah, kawah, caldera.
You're funny enough.
Yeah, I'm waiting you. Come on. Okay.
Okay. Of course, I like beach. We
Ah.
have to differentiate how to pronounce beach and
Yeah.
beach.
Yeah. 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 That's
Okay, beach.
important.
I
Yeah.
like beach,
Uh-huh.
even though I don't know how to swim, but
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna learn.
Did you know there is pink beach in Indonesia?
Hmm?
Did you know there is pink beach in Indonesia?
Actually, I don't,
Oh, you don't know. Ah,
but
okay.
I'm gonna share. that.
Yeah, you need to searching. So, what kind? I mean, yeah, what kind of beach do you want to go? Where is the place?
What
Do you have a special? I mean, like special beach, like tourism place?
beach will be?
Yeah.
I really want to visit Bara
Oh, same. Bulukumba. Why? Why?
because there are lots of selfie spot
Okay.
and the beach.
Recently, you
also.
like it. So.
And I like the clean water.
Uh-huh.
It based on my friends' pictures.
Okay.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
And the how to say land, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that's white
Mm-hmm.
and more cleaner than Bira.
Mm-hmm.
I still remember several years ago. Yeah, I only have one destination, but I really want
Okay.
to visit some.
Okay. Sam.
And some. You don't want to say thanks?
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay, that's it.
that's it.
Okay, I'm waiting for your pictures. Okay, what about you, Miss Soya? What
Okay,
kind of
so-
nature do you like?
So
And-
talking about a nature object, because
Mhm.
I've mentioned before that
Mhm.
I actually original from the city,
Mhm. Yeah.
from industrial. So I really want to visit some parks in our city,
Some
because
park.
park I
Uh-huh.
think it is suitable for all ages.
Taman Macan.
Yeah, for example,
Sultan Hasanuddin.
for example, I think it's just too beautiful
Uh-huh.
to walk around with
Uh-huh.
your family, with
Uh-huh.
the one you love. Yeah, I
Okay,
think
okay.
it's quite romantic on the
Uh-huh.
other hand, and it's not going to like take many energy of you
Okay.
to walk only in the park, and it's
Mhm.
quite beautiful to see some flowers or even plants there,
Mhm.
and sit in the chair,
Mhm.
talking about how beautiful
Mhm.
our environment. I
Okay.
think, yeah, I prefer
Mhm.
that kind of place to visit whenever
Okay.
I have something stressful,
Mhm,
whenever I
mhm.
want to refresh my mind,
Mhm.
talking about the natural
Okay.
objects. Yeah, I do really hope that there will be lots of parks all around the corner on the city.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe in the
Mhm.
future,
Mhm.
when I already become a
Uh-huh.
person who can change our
Uh-huh.
city as well,
Oh,
I
wow.
really, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
not a problem, right, to dream big.
You are visionary.
Yeah, I really want to build many parks in the
Ah, okay. But I have recommend for you. You need to come to this Sayusuf Discovery. Have you ever visited there?
Hmm?
Sayusuf Discovery
city.
Park.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I often visit some parks in the city.
Ah,
Actually,
okay.
At afternoon they
Mhm.
usually have like jogging. Many
Mhm.
people are jogging, and I see many lifestyle there. I
Mhm.
see so many ages there, start
Mhm.
from kids until old people. Yeah,
Mhm, mhm.
it's beautiful to see.
Okay, good points. So next questions, guys, because maybe there is no operator, so we will not break. Just continue. Just continue. Okay, for the next question, for me, what question is good? Okay, my question is talking about the position of Indonesia. As I mentioned just now, we have a strategic position, but we call dua sisi mata uang in bahasa, but I don't know to translate to English. It means the how to say, the one side is blessing, the other side is disaster. So how do you opinion about that two side, because our country has a tectonic volcano,
Yeah.
lempeng, right, fire offerings. So maybe you have a family live in
That kind of circle.
the
Okay.
cycle who come how to
Like
say, create
potentially
potential
can-
of
okay.
disaster. Do you have a family, and how
Yeah.
can you, what is your opinion about who
Okay.
people live there?
Okay, so previously we have in Sulawesi Barat,
Mm-hmm.
Mamuju and Majene, and
Mhm.
I have family that
Oh.
live there as well.
Oh, I'm sorry to
And
hear that.
Things that I heard from them that
Mhm.
they got many hard times because of their house are broken
Mhm.
and so on. So
Mhm.
I think it's just some like a risk for
Mhm.
us.
Mhm.
So in the future, I just hope that we can be more aware about that kind
Okay.
of region who
Okay.
have more potentially to get some kind
Okay.
of disaster, earthquakes,
Okay.
flood, and so on.
Okay.
So it is not the matter of the region itself, because as we know that Japan actually have more potential to get earthquakes than Indonesia
Okay.
itself,
Mhm.
but they could overcome all the things
Mhm,
because they
mhm.
have good socialize with
Mhm.
from the government to the society.
Mhm.
So I do hope that we are no longer to talk about the region problem itself, the potential
Okay.
of the disaster, but how to overcome all the things so that society could live safety again.
Okay.
No matter how potentially to harm ourselves, but I think we all know the risk to live in Indonesia. So
Okay. So that is also consequence and rights.
consequence.
Yeah.
So all the things that we need to do is how to find the solution.
Okay. Okay. So this is about solution, right? How they anticipate or make or create solution how to face the disaster. But anyway, because we have a limited time actually, but we jumping. Okay, what about you, Miss Mala? Do you have a conclusion about our topic tonight? Conclusion. Yeah.
Conclusion.
Yeah, move to conclusion. About our topic tonight.
Okay, so my conclusion is just want to say the way we keep our nature or the universe, yeah, we have to have awareness.
Okay.
Awareness start from the small things, smallest thing, like how I say, the using of papers
Okay.
or tissue, and we put the trash, we put the trash on the right place, and that's it.
Follow the rule, save
Yeah,
energy.
follow the rule
Yeah.
of our government.
Okay, what about you, Mr. Nahwi? What is your conclusion about our topic tonight?
Okay, so my conclusion tonight is really simple. So my conclusion is the problems that come that produced by the environment, such as maybe earthquake or flood and etc. We cannot always blame the environment itself, but we should correct ourselves. Especially we can see the reality right now, the deficiency of awareness among the society.
Okay.
So that's our problem right now.
Okay,
So
okay.
how we implement, how we increase our self-awareness so
Okay.
that we can keep our natural environment, so that we can enjoy all of the natural environment safely.
Okay, back to self-awareness, right?
Yes, of
Okay.
course.
What about you, Mrs. Na? What is your conclusion for our topic tonight?
Maybe I just want to talk about idioms related
Ah,
with
okay,
our
you may.
topic.
Okay.
First is beat around the bus. If you beat around the bus or beat about the bus, you don't say something directly, and then usually because you don't want to upset the person you're talking to. And then the second is answer the call of the nature. And
In bahasa?
in bahasa, if you answer, it means if you answer the call of nature, you go to the toilet.
Bahasa.
In bahasa.
Bahasa.
No, I don't want to.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay.
And then the last is down to earth. If someone is down to earth, they are practical and sensible.
In bahasa. No.
No.
Okay. Okay, what about you? What is your conclusion for
My
our topic
conclusion
tonight?
is
Yeah.
from Smart Listener. If you don't wanna get some natural disaster, please don't put everywhere your plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, only that.
Okay, that's all.
That's it.
That is
Okay.
that will be keep your natural environment for your life and for the future.
Okay, so the cover of conclusion for all of our conclusion is the environment we need to how to say, save the energy, self-awareness, follow the rule, make a local wisdom, make a value, aesthetic, and everything about clean and anticipate disaster. And the most important is we need to thanks to God, because God give us life on earth, something like that. And earth and universe is very very beautiful for all of organism special for human being. Yeah, I think that's all for our conversation and discussion with BPEC. Thank you guys, thank you
Thank
Rifki,
you.
thank you Miss Husna, thank you Nahwi, thank you Mala, thank you Miss Oya for coming. And thank you for a smart listener wherever you are. And don't forget to watching us still with BPEC, of course, every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Bye bye. Good evening. Good night.